Hello, I just wanted to give you a few broad tips on revision. One of the big things that I noticed was formatting. So, like I went over in the initial video of that final draft checklist in peer editing, here are some reminders on formatting and formatting that you have to have. So first off, if your paper does not have the proper header from that first video from last week, or a title, you need to add a proper header and a title. This particular doc has no header or title. So before you turn in the revision version, you sure as heck better add in a header and a title. Now the title needs to be the same size font as everything else. So that's size 12 Times New Roman. And notice how this paper is left aligned. So you look up here and you can align your paper in different ways. Paper needs to be left aligned. Now, I had a couple of you that somehow had it center aligned. That's unreadable when it's center aligned. It needs to be in paragraph form and it needs to be left aligned. Not center aligned, left aligned. Like every other typed piece of paper that you've ever seen in your hands, ever. It needs to be left aligned. Also make sure that it is, in fact, double spaced, just like the instructions. So, other little things with formatting, make sure that you tab or indent the beginning of each paragraph. This way I know where the paragraph actually begins. So at the beginning of each paragraph, you need to tab or indent the beginning. Again, just like every other thing that you've seen typed on a piece of paper ever, you need to indent and tab at the start of each paragraph. Also, notice the messy spacing in this. So there's just random breaks where I don't know if you were meaning to start a new paragraph because you didn't indent, or if it's part of the same paragraph. I have no idea. It is your job to properly format it though, and not just lazily copy and paste from your outline. Take some pride in your work, and please, actually, just do a quick little return, make it part of the actual paragraph. Simple as this. And notice here, there's clearly a topic sentence frame right here, but it didn't start into a new paragraph. Look at your work, please, and make sure that the paragraphs are actually separated. That way your audience can actually read the paper and they'll understand the organization. That's pretty essential to do and very easy to do. So I suspect that all of you will have that done for the revision. And this video will be here to rewatch. The video that I made a week ago will be here to rewatch. It's really all there for you. It could not be easier. Also, there are no spaces between paragraphs. And again, this is just a horrible mess of a paragraph. It's like, what the heck is happening right here? Return, 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 return. Here we are. That way it's actually all part of the same paragraph. Easy fix. It's your job to do. That way your audience, again, can actually read the paper and understand the organization. Other small things, make sure that you have proper MLA citation, like the example that I'm fixing right here. We've been over it and over and over it, but there is another example. And again, messy spacing, easy to fix. Ta-da. Now your audience actually knows what the heck is going on with your paper. And if you want to make sure, and again, I'm not adding in a header and a title because you can look at the old video and learn how to do that because it takes literally 1 minute of your time. But one quick way to make sure that it has the right formatting, you press Edit, you go Select All, press Times New Roman for the font, press Times New Roman for the font, press Times New Roman for the font, So go Edit, press Select All, Edit, Select All, go up here for the font, press Times New Roman, go up here for the size, press 12, go up here for the size, press 12, you hover over it, it says font size, go down here, press 12, you go over here, make sure that it is in fact left aligned, not center aligned, not right aligned, not fully justified, but left aligned, left aligned, left aligned. You go up here, you hover, you press left aligned, then you hover over here to line spacing, press down, and press double to make sure that everything is double spaced. Then boom, you've got the right formatting. Easy, takes 30 seconds. So this was mostly about formatting because my specific comments have links to other videos or tell you to refer to some older lessons. But overall, the content of the papers, on the whole, fantastic. If you return and follow my revision comments, then I see a lot of you, the vast majority of you, getting A's on this paper if you follow the revision comments, if you actually fix them, and if you complete the assignment requirements seriously. So that revision is due this coming Wednesday, but the earlier the better. And how the revision points will work, I will add in extra points to your current paper grade in Infinite Campus. But that will not happen if you do not turn in a revision. Some of you really need a revision to get up to a level that isn't a low C. For a lot of you, it's going to bump you up to from like an A- to a full A. So please make sure that you do that revision, turn that in before Wednesday, and you should be in good shape. And please re-watch this video, double check it, make sure that your paper looks like this, except with a proper header and a title. It should look exactly like this. There should actually be 5 paragraphs. And you shouldn't have many just messes with spacing. Super easy to fix, and you can all do it. All right, thank you. Bye.